What is WhatsApp marketing? Marketing through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging platform in the world. In 2020, its audience has grown up to 2 billion active users monthly. This marketing channel is a must-have for businesses that want to connect with audiences in developing countries. For instance, there are 340 million monthly WhatsApp users in India and almost 100 million in Brazil. However, the platform is also an excellent choice for promotions in the US market. 68 million Americans access WhatsApp at least once a month. WhatsApp marketing allows you to stay in touch with your customers. More than half of WhatsApp users check the app every day. Better yet, you can be sure they will get your offers as text messages have a 98% open rate. The last point is that your customers love this communication channel. They trust brands with chat apps more. 53% of people say they would buy from companies they can reach via chat. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, we will learn what WhatsApp marketing is and how you can begin marketing using WhatsApp. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. First, let's answer the question. What is WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing is a type of messenger marketing which implies promoting a brand through WhatsApp. This channel helps brand reach an enormous audience, build strong relationships with customers, and increase sales. It's clear that businesses cannot afford to ignore messaging apps. Apart from the rapidly growing user base, these apps provide two key functionalities that traditional networks don't: personalization and authenticity. Business is based on building relationships, and all relationships start with conversations. Considering this, it's easy to see how messaging platforms like WhatsApp can be a huge help to brands. WhatsApp has a lot of features that you can use to your advantage. For instance, the platform has its own status feature, which allows you to upload posts as statuses that disappear after 24 hours. You can use this if you want to be less aggressive in your marketing, but it's also a great way to announce flash sales or offers to your customers. For instance, you can ask them to take a screenshot of the QR code on your story and present it at your store to receive a discount on their purchases. On top of the status feature, you can also share your location with inquiring customers. If someone wants to know where your store is, you can directly send them the location on WhatsApp. The recipient will then be able to open it on their phones in Google Maps. Finally, WhatsApp also has a payments feature. This allows you to send and receive money through the use of UPIs. The first time you use WhatsApp payments, it will ask you to set up your UPI, after which you can receive money or send refunds to your customers. However, this will only work if your clients have WhatsApp payments set up as well. Let's look at some of the features of WhatsApp marketing. Real-time customer chat. Through WhatsApp, you will be able to offer customer service in real time. WhatsApp has multiple features like chat and voice or video calls that you can use to support your customers. This not only has the benefit of improved customer service, but also ensures that you're able to provide direct and personalized treatment to your users. It's not just customer service that WhatsApp can be used for though. You can also use WhatsApp to take orders from your customers or provide them with special discounts. It may also be a good idea to use WhatsApp Web to optimize your service. Using your computer's keyboard and webcam will allow you to provide unparalleled support to your customers. Make messages more attractive. WhatsApp provides various formatting options to make your messages look more appealing. You can either italicize or bold certain parts of your text to emphasize parts of your message. Also remember that you can send GIFs, images, and videos along with your text. This can make your text more appealing to readers. You can choose to add emojis to your message as well, to add a little expressive affair. But never spam your customers with repeated messages. Make sure you type out everything you want to convey in one single message, broken neatly into multiple paragraphs so it's easier to the eyes. Try to keep your content as brief and interesting as possible. Better sales. WhatsApp marketing works as a sort of magic wand for your sales. The simple trick of adding a WhatsApp phone number to your website may result in 27% more sales leads. It seems like the opportunity to reach a brand through any messaging app alone instills confidence in potential customers. At least 66% feel more optimistic about purchasing from a company if it is active on messengers. Better yet, you can consider WhatsApp a stand-alone sales channel for your business. It's possible with the growing tendency for people to buy through messaging apps. Roughly 60% of consumers believe they will use messengers more to make purchases in the future. Lower cost of marketing. WhatsApp is still a very affordable marketing channel, which makes this platform enticing for small businesses. All you need to get the ball rolling is to install an app and connect it to the internet. Meanwhile, the chances that your message will reach the customer are sky high. On average, a user checks WhatsApp over 23 times a day. WhatsApp marketing drives more conversions, improves sales, allows you to build deep quality relationships with customers, and costs next to nothing in terms of marketing expenditures. The WhatsApp Business app is available for both Android and iOS. WhatsApp Business was built with the small business owner in mind, and as a result should be the de facto standard for your business to start using WhatsApp. Businesses can interact with their customers efficiently by using tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to messages. What are some of the advantages over the normal consumer version? Business profiles. You can create a business profile with helpful information for your customers like your address, business description, email address, and website. Quick replies. By using quick replies, you can save and reuse the message you frequently need to send. This way, you can easily answer your most asked questions in no time. Automated messages. Just like chatbots, you can set automated messages. We understand that even though your customers are across the world, you are a business owner and sometimes need sleep, or even when you're in a meeting, it might be difficult to answer as well. Your customers and leads, on the other hand, are expecting a response straight away. With automated messages, you can do that, or maybe create a welcome message to introduce potential customers to your business. Message statistics. Get insights into essential metrics such as how many of your messages were successfully sent, delivered, and read. Labels. Making it easier for you to organize your contacts or chat with labels so you can easily find them again. Creating a business profile using a regular landline instead of a phone number. And the last killer feature, if you still have a landline phone, you can now use your landline number to create an account. All in all, good reasons to use WhatsApp Business over a standard account. After you've set up your business account on WhatsApp, it is time to start thinking about ways to reach your audience. Based on the introduction we gave about the platform, you might get a better picture of how people are using the app. Mostly, WhatsApp is being used as a messaging platform for people, for families and friends to reach out to each other, to discuss personal things, to try to talk that cute person into going on a second date with you. The first thing you need to start thinking of is how you and your business can fit into these conversations. Maybe you need to customize and adapt your brand persona a bit or create a virtual person that is acting on behalf of your company. But whatever you do, since you're trying to talk to your potential customers in a space they are used to informal conversations, you need to create an appealing brand persona for them to engage with. So let's say you want to start handling customer support using WhatsApp. You can create a unique number just for this function. Then you can create a real person to manage it. Let's say Steve from customer support. By doing this, you're directly making the conversation a little more personal, even though different people might handle customer support. It still gives a feeling of a real person that your customers are talking to. One of the great things about having a more intimate relationship with your customers is that you can take the interaction and participation to the next level. By actively including your customers in the creation and build process of your product or service, you can strengthen that relationship very easily, while at the same time learn a lot of interesting information. The beautiful thing as well, of course, is that the app supports all sorts of media. This means next to text, you can use audio, video, maybe even a quick call to provide excellent customer support. Using the feedback you get from these chats, you can make changes to your offering and set up promotions for specific products. Be sure to make the conversation as natural as possible though. You don't want to become intrusive so that they might start to, block you again. And of course, don't forget to reward your most loyal responders with special offers and coupons to encourage future engagement, long-term customer retention, and brand loyalty. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Drop a comment below and tell us what topics you would like to learn more about. Thank you for watching.